OpenAI has just launched one of the most powerful AI models. And not surprisingly, the subject matter for today is the fascinating and incredible use of this new model. The features of GPT-4 still has everyone surprised, as this version is seen to be a game changer, but the jaw-dropping characteristics of GPT-4o have left plenty of fans and experts in amazement, as the complementary features are considered to be imaginary. The GPT-4o isn't just another text command and text generation version of AIs, unlike older models developed by OpenAI. This new model is often regarded as human AI model based on some peculiar features it shares with humans. The O in GPT-4o represents not any form of metaphor or figure of speech, as it basically reflects the model's omni status, representing the recent milestone in the evolution of language models by OpenAI, because GPT-4o uses text, voice, and visual in relating and conversing with users by creating a more engaging experience. This distinct feature places it on a much higher level than GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, because both AIs focus solely on text interaction. This model aims to deliver highly natural and real-time human-computer interactions, making it highly efficient and practical in various applications, including customer support, content creation, and educational tools. It's accessible to all users, including those without a paid subscription. The release of the new GPT-4o model was followed by numerous demonstrations that displayed its new capabilities, like advanced analysis of visual inputs, solving complex math equations, and interpreting facial expressions. Also, this model is capable of generating content and understanding commands in voice, text, or images, and giving real-time responses. The unveiling of the new AI model, which has eerily human voice assistance, has found users creatively using GPT-4o and are sharing their results online. So far, results have been impressive and jaw-dropping. Let's move into today's mission, which is to shed light on the incredible uses users of GPT-4o benefit from this absolutely free AI. This model comes with different features that have not been explored fully by most of its users. The most exciting and interesting use of GPT-4o is data analysis. GPT-4o has demonstrated the capability to process spreadsheets and conduct data analysis in as little as 30 seconds. An important advantage is it saves lots of time with a productive result. With just a single and simple command, this AI model enables users to quickly transform raw data into insights and works as a tool for generating charts, graphs, and statistical summaries. Anyone using Microsoft Excel to deal with data and creating reports can worry less, as this model can break down data and provide useful insights. This model, as opposed to other models, provides room for users to ask questions about their data, and in a swift response, it creates report and data visualization in a matter of seconds. Apart from this model being free, it speeds up workflow for experienced Excel users and provides a new different level to inexperienced users. Another use of this model is coding. GPT-4o demonstrates advanced coding capabilities, as users have successfully utilized it for various programming tasks. One user was able to generate Facebook Messenger code and clone websites within seconds. Another example includes a user who generated HTML and CSS code for a web page based on a drawing of the page's layout. OpenAI GPT models are already capable of providing code assistance, including writing code and explaining and fixing errors. The multimodal capabilities of GPT-4o then provide some interesting opportunities. In a promotional video by OpenAI CTO Mira Murati, two OpenAI researchers, Mark Chen and Barrett Zoff, demonstrated using GPT-4o to work with some Python code. The code is shared with GPT as text, and the voice interaction feature is used to get GPT to explain the code. Later, after running the code, GPT-4o's vision capability is used to explain the plot. This version helps users to code with a voice assistant based on the multimodal capacities, so it works as a teacher. One of the essential uses of GPT-4o is that it can perform real-time translations across multiple languages, which has enabled its users to receive instant translations, facilitating communication and interactions in diverse linguistic contexts. Live translation has become a key feature that is provided by this model, as showcased in OpenAI's demo, where a brief conversation between OpenAI CTO Mira Murati asked GPT-4o in Italian what whales with the power of speech might ask humans. The AI response was, they might ask, how do we solve linear equations, in English. Interestingly, GPT-4o broke the usual convention of contemporary interpreting by speaking in the third person rather than in the first person. The AI is multilingual as it can understand and communicate in over 50 languages. It is designed to seamlessly switch between languages within the same document, making it highly versatile for users with multilingual content. It has been noted that the neural architecture of GPT-4o has been optimized to handle more complex language structures. This improvement results in better performance across various translation tasks. From simple sentences to intricate paragraphs, it is capable to translate idiomatic expressions, as these expressions usually create significant challenges in translation due to their non-literal meanings. GPT-4o addresses this by leveraging its extensive training data to recognize and appropriately translate idioms, ensuring that the translated text retains its intended meaning and cultural context. ChatGPT has been criticized regarding its inability to perform simple mathematics problems, but the latest model has enhanced reasoning capabilities, and it can provide answers to complex mathematical questions with greater accuracy. It also provides detailed explanations of the steps involved in solving these problems. In the video demonstration by OpenAI, GPT-4o was shown the equation 3x plus 1 equals sine 4 written down on a sheet of paper. GPT-4o was then asked what equation was written down, and the correct equation was extracted from the image due to its multimodal ability. Then it was asked what the first step would be to try to solve this equation. The response was to get all the terms with x on one side and all the constants on the other side. Then it was asked, what do you think we should do with that plus 1? The user subtracted 1 from both sides to give 3x equals sine 3. GPT-4o provided the operation to know the value of x. Then the user completed the solution by dividing both sides by 3. This new model is not limited to simple mathematics, as GPT-4o provides solutions to written equations as seen in the video demonstration. GPT-4o helps users with trigonometry to geometry, integral functions, quadratic equations, and fundamental arithmetic. This continues to a more fascinating dimension. Users can have real and natural interaction with GPT-4o, as this new model can respond to audio inputs in as little as 232 milliseconds with an average response time of 320 milliseconds, which is comparable to human response times in conversation, facilitating more natural and fluid interactions. The model's real-time conversational capabilities are further enhanced by its ability to handle and respond to questions almost instantly, ensuring a smooth user experience. We want you to be able to use it wherever you are, Murati said. It's easy, it's simple, it integrates very easily in your workflow, which is a crucial step toward making AI more accessible. We know that as these models get more and more complex, we want the experience of interaction to become more natural, Murati said. This is the first time that we are really making a huge step forward when it comes to the ease of use. With the new real-time conversational speech functionality, users can interrupt the model because you don't have to wait for a response. And the model picks up on your emotions, said Mark Chen, head of Frontiers Research at OpenAI. With all these uses provided for free by this model, GPT-4o should be incorporated as one of the wonders of the world with its capabilities and incredible features. To conclude, GPT-4o is proving to be a key pointer that the future of the world lies with AI. This new model has significant improvement, which has made it twice faster, cheaper, higher rate limit, and a multimodal model, which are exciting developments. GPT-4o has proven that more tasks are suitable to be solved with AI based on its multiple inputs that allows for a seamless interface. That wraps up this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. You won't want to miss the latest updates, as they usually pop up as things get more interesting. Don't forget that we'll always be here to educate and provide relevant updates on more development in AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.